All right, guys, how you guys doing? So the little sneak peek you guys just saw, this is kind of a new chapter for me and Melina, and we're also going to be moving Trigger Spec headquarters pretty soon. I'm not going to show you guys much. I will do a review because we have a lot of stuff planned for it that I still need to do, but when it's kind of in the process, I'm going to show you guys. But anyways, by the title of this video, you guys already know we got another ad product. We had GJIA, one of the companies, reach out, and they sent me these lights actually in a perfect timing too, because we are doing all this stuff to this new place that we got. So they sent me these linear high bay lights, and as you guys can see, they're 210 watts, 5K lighting, and ultimately all this is just like a shop light, big. Usually they used to be like the luminescent style. Now it's these nice LEDs. This is a very nicely packaged light system that they sell. Comes with all the hanging wires and hardware. We're just going to be tapping it straight into the ceiling. But as you guys can see, this is kind of our new laundry room that we built, and we have this nice light fixture right here. But when GJIA reached out and they wanted to send me a light, I created another section here with my father-in-law, and we got it kind of situated. So we're going to be installing this panel light that they sent me over here, and pretty much very simple concept of installing this. So this light fixture comes with the wires to hang on. We're not going to do that. We're just going to go ahead and run some screws through to mount it to the ceiling. And then right here, these are our wiring. So we have green, which is always ground, black, which is hot, and then neutral, which is white. And then in the ceiling as well, we weren't paying attention, and we kind of painted it. Oh, this camera. We painted it, but in this instance, I won't be touching it right now. I will get electrocuted, but we have our ground right there, which is just a flat copper wire, and then we have our white and black, which I know they all seem the same color. I found out which was which, but I cannot touch this right now because they are connected to that. So we have that set up, and now we're going to be installing this. Obviously, for this install, you are going to need to use the little butt connectors that we brought from home, which look like this. So you're going to want to take this, put this end of the wire in it, with the other end of the wire coming out of the ceiling. When the power is off, do not electrocute yourself, and you're going to go ahead and butt them up. Now for me, I'm going to go ahead, first mount this fixture. I'm going to butt them up and then mount the fixture to the ceiling, and then we're going to go ahead and show you guys the final product. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy the time lapse. Alright guys, so we wired it up. This is how it looks up mocked up. I believe this is for if you want to put like a sensor or a dimmer. But yeah, goes right up. I just nailed it into the ceiling, and then as well I removed this face which had the wire going through it, so it just makes it a cleaner look. You can tuck the wires inside, but now we gotta test and see how it is. So this room is pitch black. Now we're gonna see. Oh jeez. So this is the comparison. This is that light. This is the light they told you not to worry about. I cannot express how bright this light is. Like, look at me here. Now look at me under here. This is so, oh my God. It's so bright looking into it. But at least it's nice. Whatever you want to get in this corner, you can do this. Definitely if you have a shop, this is the light to go with. This thing is insanely bright. So yeah, you guys are interested in the GJIA light. This is the STL3 model right here, linear high bay light. This is definitely a bay light. It is so bright, it's ridiculous. Might have to put a dimmer on it. This thing is too bright, but very good overall. So my expectation wasn't this. This is way brighter than I had thought. Like, the camera can only do so much justice, but like Literally, this is so bright. Quality was good. Packing was good. I really like the box that it came in. And then obviously everything was included with it. It has all the cables and everything you're gonna need. So if you wanna hang them, obviously we just screwed them at self-tappers into the ceiling. But yeah, very, very bright. Jeez. GJIA, I'm gonna need some more of these. So please send me like 5, 6 more. These things are insane. Oh, Melina hasn't seen this, so we're gonna get her reaction too before we end this video. All right, so she's here. Don't look straight into it. Oh my! This light is brutal. Oh my God. So yeah, just don't. Now guys, if you guys are interested in this light for yourself, I have a coupon code. Look how bright it is. The camera can't even justify it. You can buy this on Amazon or just straight through their website. The links are all in the description. If you guys are looking for a bright light, GJIA is the way to go. This thing is fabulously insane. Thanks again, GJIA. Appreciate you for the products and hope to do many, many more with you guys. Feels like I'm walking in like heaven or something. Lights beaming down. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks again, GJIA. You guys are the best. Looking into the gateway to heaven. This light is ridiculous.